Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to customize your Facebook friend list. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your Facebook menu. Now here you can see Settings and Privacy. In the option of Settings and Privacy, you have to press on Settings. Now scroll down. Now in the option of Audience and Visibility, you will find here how people find and contact you. Click on this. From here, you can customize your friend list. You can set here friends of friends, or you can set here everyone. And in the option of who can see your friend list, you can set here public, friends. In the option of friend accept, you can customize it, or you can set it only me. So this is how to customize your Facebook friend list. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.